Well, I chose UAM because I had toured over here and I really liked how the campus was and how the teachers were. It is a very affordable college. They have very good room and board. Their facilities are very nice. They have, especially the diesel mechanics program, they have a lot to offer with supplying tools.
One of the things I think that makes our campus over here glow is that the faculty that we have. The faculty is outstanding. All faculty comes from business and industry, and they have experience in the field. That way they can know what needs to be taught, and they can make sure that these students get the skill levels that they need as a entry-level job.
We teach these young people and we teach them how to operate heavy equipment such as bulldozers, backhoe loaders, motor graders, that kind of thing, in a safe and efficient manner.
Well, it's really nice about the hands-on part of this program because a textbook can only give you so much, and some people learn better by using their hands for things, such as driving this truck. You have to drive the truck to really get to know it instead of reading about it. So UAM in this program make sure you get plenty of hands-on experience.
Okay. If you come out here to the diesel technology site and join the diesel class, you will learn the proper way to use hand tools, diagnostic tools. You'll learn how to recognize bad parts gone bad before you even really know it. All you got to do is know what to look for, the signs.
That we get on the road and we train them to properly shift gears in the truck. Because we got 3 different trucks that we use, actually 4 different trucks, and they all got different transmissions in them. Every single one of them have a different transmission, which that's part of being a truck driver. You're gonna have to be able to adjust.
So I'm very proud of the campus that we have, because the truck driving, we need areas that they can drive and learn how to shift and operate vehicles, large vehicles. And this is a 58-acre area that they can learn how to shift, drive, before they get out on the highway amongst the vehicles.
Right now I'm just running around the course here at the campus and practicing some obstacles and just getting used to shifting, just some different things like that, because you need to get to know your truck before you take your CDL test.
We put out a lot of students. A lot of students go through this program, and majority, probably 95% of them will leave here with a commercial driver's license.
Earth moving equipment is what we teach. Bulldozer, backhoe, motor grader, excavator, backhoe loader. We teach a little bit of the dump truck, how to load it, how to unload it, all that kind of thing, with an emphasis, of course, on safety and being efficient. When our students finish, they're not finished operators. They are beginning operators, but they are a step ahead of the normal guy that you get off the street, because they've had safety drilled into them. They know more than how to hit the ground with the blade or bucket.
What motivated me to choose this school was it's just a really down-to-earth school, and besides the diesel mechanics program, they also have the CDL program, which is a big plus.